CPM Educational Program had another amazing teacher development workshop, this time held on the beautiful campus of the University of Utah. This 5-day workshop encompasses the whole content of the Phase 1 First-Year Implementation Workshop series. This residential workshop's main goal is to provide professional learning for teachers who could not make it to a CPM workshop near them.
We believe in more math for more people, and our mission is to really give back to the math community. So this is called our residential workshop, and they're spending a week learning about how to go back and implement CPM materials in their classrooms successfully.
Solvent to either side.
Okay, so that's what we're doing.
That's right. Teachers gain from this residential workshop an opportunity to meet teachers from all over the nation and to work collaboratively and really understand kind of the structure of CPM and how it's organized and how we can support them as they move forward using CPM.
Maximizing student success through professional learning workshops is key to the CPM curriculum. This workshop provided an opportunity for educators to develop an understanding of the depth in the CPM program, to build a network of colleagues around the country, and to experience a workshop in an authentic classroom.
CPM is set up to answer much more open-ended questions. There's some built-in ambiguity. You might have to have a conversation about what's intended. So that really invites conversation in a way that a traditional textbook doesn't.
Students are digging into problems, and there's conceptual understanding being built before we get into sort of that procedural fluency, which I think most of us remember our math classes being very procedural heavy without any reason for it. And so this sort of flips that, where you get that reasoning before you get to those procedures.
And what's really important with the students is we build it, draw it, and write it.
The way that CPM's put together, the students are actually discovering stuff, and so they get those aha moments because they're actually finding it out themselves instead of having a teacher tell them what they're supposed to find out with something, and they go, oh, this is really cool. And that's what is so wonderful about CPM, is that just listening to the discourse of the students is fabulous.
There are aha moments going on all the time. And then for me, there are even, you think you've seen it and you think you've seen it, you can't see it another way. And every year, the kids open my eyes to a new way of seeing something.
CPM believes that every educator needs to always be investing in their ongoing professional learning. We believe all teachers should experience an implementation workshop, and this provides a great option for many teachers.
The biggest benefit from CPM is that fundamental mathematical thinking, the critical thinking skills, the cooperative learning, that goes not only in math, but you can take it to English. You can take it to the job force. It's a lifetime experience.
Coming to conferences like this are super important because the tight implementation, ensuring that you're using the strategies correctly and providing supports for all students. When you have that, it can be a game changer for almost all students, if not all students.
The facilitators model what good teaching looks like, and it's so engaging. It's impossible to not engage, and we put in long hours, but it doesn't seem long because it's so fun. Love CPM.
So go ahead, contact CPM today to attend the next workshop in your area or to attend this residential workshop. With our ongoing commitment to professional development, we truly can provide more math.